a nice marine scent to it. It kind of really smells like the ocean. It smells really nice and refreshing and kind of almost like windy, like you're actually out in the ocean. Texture I really love. It's actually really impressive. Shape memorizing. Even if you mix it up a lot, it'll actually go back to its original shape. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it a little bit. Then after a few minutes, it'll return back to its actual shape. It went back to its original shape and it's still bouncy and wiggly. Slide it out and put it onto my hand. And we can see the jelly-like texture. It's really bouncy. You can squish it and squeeze it and it'll actually always go back to its original shape. It's really light and moisturizing as well. You can see it's very hydrating and leaves your skin really nice and shiny. It can be used either as a sleeping pack or just a normal face mask. Just put it on before you go to bed, and then in the morning when you wake up, wash it off with lukewarm water. Or if you just want to use it as a mask, you can go ahead and apply it just for around 15 or 20 minutes, and then you can go ahead and wash it off after. And you want to go ahead and use this product after toning and cleansing your face so that you have a nice clean slate. You can pat it on and rub it on, and a little goes a long way with this product. As you can see, it glides on really nice and smoothly. It's not heavy, not sticky, even though it has a really sticky looking like texture. Use the marine serum as well, along with all of your skincare, and then at the very last step, you can go ahead and use it as the sleeping pack.